Good evening, everybody. I'm CJ Ward. Beth has the night off. We begin at 6 o'clock with more legal problems for the owner of a Santa Barbara-based detective agency. News Channel reporter John Palmentary joins us live. And John, that private investigator Craig Case is in jail tonight.
Yeah, here at Santa Barbara's Superior Court, Craig Case was in a courtroom this morning on certain items and criminal charges that he was facing. But when he came out of the courtroom, investigators were waiting for him on unrelated charges and took him into custody. Longtime Santa Barbara private investigator Craig Case has gone to jail while multiple court actions are still pending, including several felony charges. He appeared in one case where he was charged with, among other things, identity theft and offering false evidence. This is linked to a police stop where authorities say Case had a loaded gun in his car and a concealed weapons permit with a falsified signature of Sheriff Bill Brown. Case owns a detective agency, and the state attorney general's office appeared to have his pretrial conditions include a ban on two key functions in that business.
That would include him not being able to act as a private security officer or a private investigator. It wasn't a revocation of the license to do so. He does currently have a license for both of those things.
The court ruled he would be prohibited from doing that work after July 17th, giving him time to hand over the operations.
And the idea is to try to save the business while this is being resolved and put it in good hands and safe hands and do all of the right things.
The senior deputy district attorney on the case said it was appropriate considering the serious charges.
They handle security codes, they handle keys, they watch businesses, they're there late at night when no one else is. So it's very important that the people that are running those businesses don't have any criminal convictions or any allegations such as this.
Then, outside of the courtroom, district attorney investigators were standing by with an arrest warrant that was issued this week.
DA investigators arrested Mr. Case on a warrant on new charges related to embezzlement and financial crimes.
Specific details of the latest charges are expected to be in the hands of the judge when Craig Case appears here at Santa Barbara Superior Court on Thursday. We've learned the charges stem from about $670,000 allegedly embezzled from an elderly Montecito woman's estate through a series of loans that were not repaid.
For the safety of him, the public, and our investigators, we thought it would be the safest to have him arrested after court today rather than at his house or, on the street or some other place.
Case had been well known in the community as a host of a TV wine and food show that aired on KEYT News Channel 3 in the past. He was also actively involved in the Santa Barbara Police Foundation that raised money for police equipment and other needs. He is no longer in that position. And we're told the bail for Craig Case is about $200,000. However, the judge wants to know where that money is coming from, and that's going to be discussed before any bail is accepted and he gets out of jail. We'll follow this for you a little bit later on this week. Reporting live outside of Santa Barbara Superior Court, I'm News Channel reporter John Palmentary.
All right, thank you, John. Authorities seized a large